Hello there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you another tool we have in the FileDrop Web Platform. What is the FileDrop Web Platform? It's a file processing platform for file conversion, data extraction, and much more. You can see it at getfiledrop.com/web-platform, and you can find out more about it there. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description as well. Today I want to show you the batch files text extraction tool. I have here some images. It's a sample contract that I splitted in 10 files, and we're gonna upload this right now. And from 10 files, we're gonna extract them in just one big text file. So this is a contract. Maybe I need some data from it. In the tool, we have a few options. We have two OCR engines. One is for contracts and documents like this. The other one is better. So OCR engine 2 is better when you have tables like invoices, receipts, and stuff like that. It supports a lot of languages, both engines. This is the option to check when you have a table-like structure. And this here can create searchable PDFs as well if you need that for your archives or anything like that. When you extract the data from the files, we have multiple options. We have text, we have Excel, again, depending on the file we have Word, so we can extract all in one or each file that we have in its own file. Today, to keep it simple, I'm gonna use text all in one file. The documents are here. We have clients that you can upload up to 100 files at once, so that's pretty cool. And we have clients that use this for books, for example, and it worked awesome. Let's get started. I'm gonna click Start OCR and wait for the process to finish. And the file is ready. Now we can download our text file and see the result. And here we have the entire text of the contract I've uploaded. I can do anything I want with this. I can copy it or add it to a document or a Word file and so on. It's really fast and really accurate. So with the OCR engine, it's really powerful to extract the data that you need from your files. Give it a go and leave us a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you so much and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.